Checking pallets and containers before loading. The arrival of goods at the foot of the aircraft is an opportunity to notice irregularities before loading. Dangerous goods label missing, unauthorized load on passenger flights, damaged pallets or incorrect numbers are all problems that need to be identified. Improperly packaged cargo can cause loads to shift during takeoff or in full flight. There is also a risk of a reaction between dangerous goods that might come into contact. In 2013, an A330 arrives after an uneventful flight. However, upon opening the aft hold, the agent notices smoke and immediately warns the firefighters. 4 of the 6 containers burned in the hold, causing considerable damage. A fire caused by the reaction of undeclared dangerous goods contained in baggage. If it happens in flight, a cargo fire can have catastrophic consequences. It can very quickly damage the structure and flight controls. Toxic fumes can also spread. In addition, firefighting means are limited in flight. In 2010 and 2011, 2 747s crashed after a cargo fire. 5 rules to help prevent incidents. Check the packaging of the load, the condition of the film, the nets, but also the stability and height of the pallets. Make sure there are no leaks or damage to the goods. Compare the number of pallets or containers and their nature with the information in the loading plan. Check concordance between the scheduled flight and the labeled information, flight number, date and destination. Every doubt must be removed, otherwise the goods must be refused. Lay the ground for a safe flight.